Hey guys, my name is Carlos Espinal from Fred Anderson Toyota, and today we're looking at a Tacoma 2021 SR5. This one's special, it is lifted, and it's for sale right now at Fred Anderson Toyota. Let's get more in detail about this truck. It is Toyota approved, and it could be installed before taking delivery of the vehicle or after at the dealership. It is compatible with Toyota Safety Sense. So this lift kit is the Toyota Tacoma lift kit, and it is 2 inches in the front and 1 inch in the rear. What we did here at the dealership is added these TRD matte finish wheels wrapped around some Nitto Ridge Grappler all-terrain tires, the size LT 285/70 R17. We're now in the back of the Tacoma, and right here, like I mentioned, 2 inches in the front and 1 inch in the rear. To be specific, these are Bilstein shocks, and what gives it not only the lift, but it's a much more comfortable and more stable ride. So these are TRD tuned Bilstein shocks, and what they're great about them is not only the lift, but they give you better control on road and on off-road. So this is the cool part right here. This is included on the lift kit. It's the Heritage Edition grille for the Tacoma. It actually spells out Toyota, and you can actually see these on the TRD Pro models. I like that it's blacked out, it spells out Toyota, it gives it a much more aggressive look. All right, you guys, well, that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is for sale, so if you are interested in this vehicle, or if you're interested in other models, my name is Carlos Espinal. My email should be below this video. Please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. Thank you guys. Have a good one.